Hello. Today I'm going to be doing an Igbo lesson. I decided I'm going to start teaching myself Igbo by reading the Bible in English and in Igbo. So today I'm going to start off with a Bible verse. I'm going to be doing one of these videos every week, maybe on Mondays or Sundays, whichever one is more convenient for me. And I'm just going to be making these videos and posting them on YouTube. And then I'm going to translate a Bible. I have my mother's Igbo Bible, and I have my own English Bible. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to read a passage from the English Bible, and I'm going to read it in Igbo. And then I'm going to try to translate the passage word for word into English. I'm going to look at the words and see what they mean. And if I make a mistake, this is my way of teaching myself without any help. So if I make a mistake, please don't be critical and say, oh, you American girl who can't speak Igbo, just be gentle with me. And if you know the correct pronunciation or the correct meaning of a specific word, make a video response. And then we can all learn together, or at least I will be learning, and anyone else who is interested in learning will be learning. So the first passage is going to be Proverbs, which in Igbo is Ilu, chapter 1, verse 7. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and discipline. In Igbo, that passage translates to Egu Jehovah bu malite ihomuma amamihe na idakananti ka indi bagarabago nuche ledaworo anya. Now, from my understanding of this passage, Egu Jehovah means the fear of the Lord. I already know that Egu means fear from my experience in Nigeria. So Egu Jehovah means the fear of the Lord. Bumalite Homoma would mean the beginning of wisdom. I don't know where the beginning is located in that phrase. Bumalite Ihomuma. Malite might mean the beginning. Ihomuma, I'm thinking means wisdom. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. Amamihe na idakananti. I figured out from other passages that idakananti means discipline. And the way I figured that out was ida means to pull, aka means hand, and inti means ear. So idakananti means to pull one's ear, which if you're an Igbo child, you know that your parents will always correct you by saying, pull your ear, and then they'll just correct you. So I'm guessing that in Igbo, that's a very strong image for an Igbo person, and therefore the word discipline comes from pulling your ear. So idakananti would mean discipline. Amamihe would be knowledge or wisdom. Amamihe, wisdom. Amamihe means wisdom. Idakananti means discipline. So wisdom and discipline, ka indi abagabaga nuche. I'm guessing that means those who fear wisdom are fools. Ka indi bagabaga nuche ledaworo anya. I'm guessing that ledaworo anya, that indi ledaworo anya would be fools. Just because ledaworo anya seems to mean something about looking with your eyes. And I know that if you're just kind of staring at someone like, oh, you're considered a mugu in Nigeria. So, and that would be a fool. So that's sort of like, Nigerians are very talkative people. So if you're not talking and you're just looking, you're considered to be a fool or foolish or like mentally slow. So Nigerian is a very verbal language. So Igbo is a very vocal culture. So I'm guessing that indi ledaworo anya would be fools. So correct me if I'm wrong, please, but that would translate to Ego Jehovah bumalite homuma amamihe na idakananti ka indi bagarabago nuche ledaworo anya. And I'm going to write the full sentence out underneath this video so that you can see the spelling and you can try to read it phonetically based off of what I said. Okay, now thank you for watching my video and look forward to the next video, which will be posted next week. Have a good week.